Hello my materialistic minions, Beau coming to you today with a teleprompter. Check this out. This is a little prompter, it's called, and if I were to hold it up, you can probably still see me, can't you? Well, I am looking at a mirror, at which point you will be placing a mirror, or I'm sorry, a small little iPhone or something like that right there, at which point it reflects. See, can you see the reflection right there? That's because you can see the text scrolling along there. So I will be showing a real world demonstration of this, but I just wanted to show you first impressions, what you get when you actually open up the package. And so be sure to take an inventory of everything. Make sure you're having this little bar if in fact you're going to be placing it on a tripod right here. The instructions are fairly simple. I'm not gonna actually put the teleprompter on a laptop. I'm actually gonna skip down here and put it directly onto a tripod along with my camera. I will be using a Panasonic GH5. And then all the accessories are in there. These little guys, it even comes with a quarter, which is a kind of a cute touch. This quarter, of course, is designed to actually, tighten down these little nuts underneath. Isn't that cool? So this is the main thing right here that you're probably gonna be looking for and looking at to, yeah. And oh, by the way, check it out. He even gave a nice little handwritten note that says, "Hi, thanks for your order. Give a shout out if you have any questions, Dan." That little personal touch right there, that really means a lot. So, yeah, so far, the overall design and the engineering of this is really top notch. I'm very impressed with the machining quality of this. So no wonder it was the price it was. There is another competitors, which is some dollars cheaper, but I actually sprung for this because it had 1 day shipping, and I actually need this for a film shoot tomorrow. And I'm gonna be putting the hood on there to make sure it's nice and dark, and I'm actually gonna now let you guys go. Enough blabbering, but there you go. That's first impressions of this little guy right out of the box.